This is how you take care of an objection. You as a professional engineer, make sure on New York City DOB, make sure you are logged in using your credentials, and then copy and paste the link that DOB sent you. Because in my case, when I go to my New York City DOB now, e-filing, it doesn't show up. I need to copy and paste. Then I see my objections here. Make sure that you are listed as the professional engineer to do this. Then go to Actions, then scroll down. See, it doesn't show. So let's paste it. So I need to go to my email and copy and paste. So right click, copy hyperlink, and let's try it again. Paste, enter, it's loading. Okay, objections, they are showing up in here. So again, actions, now it shows certification of objections, continue application. Make sure you're reading this, all the instructions. So then you select one of the objections, open, select again. Don't do anything here because it won't show up. Submit, and then it changes to yes. Click on it, continue application, scroll down, and upload attachment. That's where you upload your letter, certifying that all the objections are they were taken care of. So I find the letter I just wrote, open. So finish here. Then I select this guy here, and then photos showing text. Then continue application. At least one document. Okay, upload attachment. For some reason it didn't work, so let's do it again. Finish. And then save, I guess. So it's asking me for this thing again. So let's do continue application. Okay, let's start over. Remove, select files, project. Open, finish. Let's select this one. Maybe need to put objections. Maybe need to save it. Oh yeah, I need to save it. Then continue. Then I'm the licensed professional. I certify that everything is correct. Continue application. Now we review the application. There is another objection I have to take care of. It has to be one at a time. Continue application. And okay, that's it. Please print for your records. So let's do it. Print as a PDF. Okay, view record details. And that will be it.